Hello, thanks for watching this walk around video demonstration of the 2022 Honda Odyssey NorthStar conversion. This video goes out to my boy Levi. As you can see, the vehicle is new for 22. It's got a new front bumper design that was introduced last year with those nice fog lights. This vehicle is in excellent condition. Obviously, it's brand new. It's that nice black on black package. You've got parking sensors back here. This is the touring model. So tons and tons of features that we'll talk about and show you here. This does have the Park Smart feature, so that's what those sensors on the side are here for. I'll tell you about that. And then this has advanced keyless entry. So that's what this button on the door handle here is. So we can lock the car here, or you can unlock it by putting your hand there. There's a sensor inside of that handle. Okay, so with the vehicle locked, oh, and this even has remote start. So you press and hold the remote start button. Turns on there. You can press and hold the remote start button, that'll turn it off. Okay, so with the vehicle unlocked, we're going to press and hold the passenger side slider door button. That's going to activate the ramp sequence. So the door is going to open, ramp's going to come out, and this vehicle actually kneels down as well. So inside here we've got a nice DuraFloor rubberized flooring. Then we have the footrest here that flips up. You've got interior lighting that VMI added, including these nice ramp lights here. So those are available to help you see inside. 3 seats back here. And then we've got some of the interior features, like you got a phone charger, and you can plug in the sound for the DVD system back here. That pops down. You also have a moonroof. And we have the features of the car, so go ahead and turn it on. All of this panel down here is what VMI modified to continue to have and give you the functions that the car had before. So you had your plugs for your phone to charge USB, and you also have HDMI video that you can plug in if you have another device. You have your power charging ports, Blu-ray DVD player for the rear. You've got all of your AC controls here. You have 3-zone climate control, so you can set the left and right separate up here, and then the back. And then we have the suite of applications here on the computer. So we of course have the navigation through Garmin, and then you have your audio, Bluetooth. This all syncs through Android Auto and Apple Carplay. So a lot of the great features that you have on your phone are able to come through here. Then on the steering wheel, you've got your standard controls to be able to operate a lot of the different things on the car, specifically in the infotainment center there. So all these Honda features here are the ones that they've kept. And of course, this is the nice black interior, black leather interior. You've got your headphones here, remote control for the DVD, and then you have Park Smart feature here. So as you're exiting the vehicle when it's off, you click that button, that'll turn green. And then when you close up the vehicle, you can do that by either pressing the passenger side door button there, or we'll hit this one here. Then you lock your car, it'll click, kind of a click beep noise, click click. That'll mean that the Park Smart feature is active. So if somebody doesn't read this sign up here to give you 8 feet and they pull up next to the car, they're gonna get an alert that says, hey, you've parked next to a wheelchair accessible vehicle, would you mind moving? That way you can give me enough room to get in the ramp. That'll do that 3 times and then it'll stop. And so it's off by default, and you have to click that button as you're exiting the vehicle for it to be active. You got your power tailgate button there. You can also do it right on the fob there. And then VMI now includes your wheelchair straps, but also a nice set of the QRT Max retractors as well. So you've got all that in there. Original floor mats they gave to you. So overall, very, very nice vehicle. This is the top of the line, and this is a VMI in-floor, so definitely gonna be very happy with this one. That beeping noise is because I have the keys out inside of the car. Let us know if you have any other questions. Otherwise, all the details can be found on our website, mobilityofdenver.com. Thank you.